ground Delta 462.
462?
Hey, do you have a frequency where we can talk to the emergency services?
Do you have an emergency? You need help with something?
We're at 12 Alpha and we had a passenger exit the airplane using the slide, so we're surrounded by all emergency equipment. I just didn't know if you had a frequency where we could talk to them.
Yeah, 121.85. I'll tell them, I'll see if I can get them to come over to you.
Okay, thanks.
Truck 1, you still on ground frequency? Do you copy?
Truck 1 copies last. I'm going to 121.85.
Thank you.
Thanks, ground.
Subject aircraft from the emergency crew. Go ahead.
Hey, Truck 1, this is Captain Dozier, aircraft 3057. Can you tell me what you think the plan is now? I couldn't see what the passenger did when he left, so what exactly is going on?
It looks like the individual is being arrested at this time. And then whatever needs to be done with your aircraft with the slide out is going to be up to you and your company.
Okay, understand. And if we get an air stair to come up to the airplane, can we, I see one over here to the left, can we use the air stair there, truck to get the people off and down onto the ramp and buses? Is that all right with you guys?
You're going to have to call your company for stairs before we use ours, okay?
Oh, okay, those belong to you? I didn't realize that. Okay, all right, we'll call the company. Thanks for coming out, we appreciate it.
No problem, that's what we're here for.